Hello friends, greetings from System 2 Trading. I am Satya Yannar, your fellow trader. In this video, I am going to introduce the concept of System 2 Trading, the concept which I conceived and then mastered. And this particular video will be useful if you are going to be an intraday or a positional trader who is also a system developer. So some of the concepts what I have used may be useful to you. You can incorporate in your system trading. Or if you are already a system trader, if you are using a system and if you are looking just for a stock selection, an intraday stock selection, I am sure those traders also will be benefited by watching next few minutes. Or the third category of trader, if you are really looking into a new system where you want to invest your time and money to make profit, then System 2 Trading is definitely a trading concept which has a positive expectancy as well as a good or multiple, and this is only for an intraday trading, not for positional trading. Or if you're a trader who is using your system but you want to filter your stock from the universe what you have already selected based on the volatility or based on statistics, I think some of the concepts what I have used in the volatility and the statistics will definitely be useful to you. Or simply, if you're just a curious learner like me who wants to learn anything and everything related with the trading to improve and have an edge over others, I am sure the next few minutes will definitely be useful to you. Now let's get plunge into it, what exactly System 2 Trading is and what do I mean by it. So by system, we mean the decisions or the trading that is based on the set of rules. Trading can be of two different types. Either it can be a discretional discretional trading, wherein we take decision based on the discretion, based on the gut feeling, based on some inputs, some tips. Probably somebody says something, or maybe just based on some chart patterns. So by just observation, a subjective decision, not an objective decision. When you make decision based on objectives, a set of rules which can be transferred from one person to other person, then we call it as a system trading. There are different types of system trading, but for basic, I think any rule-based trading, at least a maximum rule-based trading wherein you can transfer among others to do the trading, the setup, the management and everything else, we call it as a system trading. So that is the reason why I have coined this term as a System 2 Trading. There are many system traders. Now the difference is System 2 Trading, the two comes into play based on the influence what I had from this particular book, Thinking Fast and Slow, a Nobel Prize winner, Daniel, an excellent book which is a must read for all traders to remove all your bias, to probably think more about ourselves, why we influence, what influences our decision, why do we decide at certain times in a certain ways, and how that is extremely important to us. How do we cling on to the profit? How do we cling on to the losses? I think all these basic understandings of the human nature and the human thinking can be read in this particular book. So this particular book says this, the concept of this, which is widely accepted, that there are two different types of thinking process. One is a fast and other is a slow process. The fast process is an automatic process. There is no name as such, but Daniel Kahneman said that it could be named as System 1 and System 2 as a slow process. The fast process occurs automatically. That before you think, you have decided as well as you have executed. It's just part and parcel of your blood. So the decision is almost instantaneous, intuitive, whereas the slow process is a rational process. Probably you go through a sequence and based on the inference of those you do some analysis and then you take a decision, a conscious decision, and then you execute a decision. So this we say it is a slow process. Not always all the process, even though we wish it has to be slow, it cannot be, because the slow process takes time whereas the fast process is instantaneous. So naturally we need to have both. So what I feel is, or what concept what I developed is, this System 2 Trading is actually a slow process which is rule based, but which is done so precisely, so often, so regularly that it becomes an intuitive process over a period of time. So that is the reason I have used the terminology system 2 trading and not just system trading. Now another thing that is actually quite fascinating in my whole concept, the system, my particular trading concept, is the use of statistics rather than the indicators, the raw mathematical values which I use to take a decision. So the statistical value which I use is actually the Z-score, one of the important value. There are another one more statistical value, mathematical value I use for my trading, which I will discuss it on my further slides. But Z-score is something which is extremely important for a trader, which gives you an edge over many of the trading decisions what we take. So the system 2 trading is actually the 2. I made it in such a way that it reminds me regularly of the Z, not just a 2. So it could be just a system Z trading or system 2 trading, both reflects on my ideology. And so in essentiality, my trading concept or the intraday trading system is based on the statistical value. It is also based on the volatility value and also the price action principles. So these three things put together and amalgamated in such a perfect way, I think you can probably have a edge over many systems and you will be able to have a very profitable trading. Now let me go into the developmental timeline of this S2T, system 2 trading. So from the discretional trading, I slowly started developing interest over the system trading for the want of positive expectancy and very high probability trade. So the concept development, the backward testing had been going on for almost more than 4 or 5 years. I had gone in for, started with an ETR, started with RSI, Arun. So many different indicators, so many different price actions, and constantly evolving slowly over and over. Even though I was doing trading, I was actually doing only intraday trading since the day one, but still I wanted to have an edge, an extremely high probable trade. So for that, constantly I was doing a back testing. As you see here, these are all some of the journals of my back testing, dated back from 2017, 2016, where I used to take notes of each day trading and then do the analysis and then review those results. And based on that, I also do the forward testing. So the forward testing also was done, and during the forward testing time, I realized that it is extremely important to totally turn my concept from a discretion to a system. So to turn that from a discretion to a system, I need to really go in for a automatic process. The selection of the scripts, where the first step for the trading for an intraday has to be an automatic process and not by means of a discretion process. So I started learning some of the computer language, the Pine script, which the TradingView was a platform which I was using, and also some of the signals I used to get from charting, and both together I started fine-tuning. And since April 2020 till date, I think it has been evolving more and more. So the precision of automatic process, even though the ultimate execution is manual, but the complete process, the signal generation, everything is totally automatic. I think probably I will show you. Yeah. Now this is the sheet. What you see, this is based on the signals what you get from my charting. So if you see here, it's been starting from at exactly 9:20 every day, based on the input what I have given. Every day I'll be getting some sort of stocks at 9:20. So there are two different types of stock. As you see here, it is S2T low, what I call system 2 trading low. The terminology I'll be explaining it later, but the point of interest now is at exactly 9:20 I'll be getting a group of universe of stock which is going to have a very similar characteristic every day. And same way, every day I will also get a group of stocks which is known as S2TI. So year till date I have got about 1723 signals every day. For example, November 20 Friday, 12th Friday 2021 9:20, we had 25 stocks. Now from these 25 stocks, I will start filtering it out. I will start using my rule. So the first step, this has been doing it. I had been documenting this from the March 8. Before the March 8, I think I have done a lot of work, as you see in this forward testing and backward testing, based on the charting signals. Probably I will share some of that also, which may be useful to you, like how exactly the concept developed. I will share it a little later. Now this trading view scripts and the charting signals actually goes into the first step of starting the script, starting the stocks with totally no bias, input bias from a trader. That is extremely important, because every day based on that only your next decisions will be good. So this signals and alerts what I have get. So I have been regularly trading based on the concept system to trading, as well as based on the price action, whatever I have learned, and slowly I have been documenting more and more. And these are all the documentation. All those documentation I organize in a precise data for me to go again and again, revise what exactly is happening. For example, if you are going to go for the March, you see March, these are all the days where these are all the signals, the S2 to high signals and S2 to low signals, and then I collaborate, join everything, and then make an analysis of this one since March. I document everything. These are all the Z score, deviations, FBR levels. I think we will be going into detail of this, and it will be linked to that particular chart. So all the system, what the current system, what you are going to listen to it and you are going to learn, is based on the findings and the observation and the analysis what it's going to be. Every month it is evolved, and now it has come to a state where it is almost precise. Then we do the analysis on that. Then based on the analysis, then we do the inference. So based on this particular inference, again we go in for the further. So every month I have been doing this one, and all the charts documentation. For example, if you go to March, I will be documenting from the everyday whatever the trades I have taken, what are the signals I have generated. So in this way, so 11 items, 11 charts are there. In this 11 chart, so each day chart, it will automatically come with the signal what is necessary. You can see here, this is a Nifty bank was automatically selected on that particular day. Then based on other parameters which we will be discussing later, we will come to a conclusion whether to trade or not to trade. If we are going to trade, how to trade. So the system 2 trading is basically a trading concept where most of the trading is totally automatic. Generations of the signal is generated, and there is a definite reason for each of those signal reasoning, and based on the reasoning you take the decision, and ultimately after taking decision you will be managing the trade. So this is what is all about system 2 trading. I hope that this particular concept is interesting for you, and you will be stay tuned to the next part of it, wherein I'll be going into little more detail of how exactly I have approached the trading based on my concept. Thank you for your valuable time.